Hi everybody, welcome to Charlie's Garage. I wanted to take some time today to address some of the comments that I've seen on the channel, especially on the emissions videos, that really have no place here and make no sense. And some people are doing it just because they're trolls who don't know any better, right? They're just ignorant. Other people are doing it because they just got the wrong idea of what the purpose of this channel is, and maybe they're just in the wrong spot. Either way, I just wanted to, one, let everybody know that starting now and moving forward, any comments that aren't relevant to the discussion are going to be immediately deleted, and I'm not even going to bother trying to converse with people about it. So when I do a video that talks about a diesel after treatment system, I am neither advocating for the system or advocating against the system. I am trying to teach people how to make a living working on a system that exists whether they like it or not. So we're not going to get rid of EGR, at least not as technicians, right? We're going to fix it when it breaks and we're going to make money doing it. We're not going to get rid of DEF and SCRs and all that. That is way above our heads, right? That's not something that's going to be changed. We're not changing the world on this channel. We are helping to educate people on different topics and have some fun on other topics. But what we are not doing is debating climate change or destroying engines, right? Everyone has their own point of view on that, of whether they're over-regulated and they don't need this stuff on the engines and it's stupid and all it does is hurt the engines, versus you're killing the planet and you're killing your children and whatever else, right? Those are two different points of view that I'm not interested in. This channel's not interested in it. Honestly, the bottom line is we don't give a rat's ass, right? Don't come on this channel and on an emissions video that explains how it works, say, throw it all in the trash. That exposes either, one, a keen sense of ignorance, or you're in the wrong channel because you don't understand that we don't care if you take it out and throw it in the trash or what you do on your own personal vehicle. That's your own ideas and you can get in your own trouble for that. We don't care. The purpose of this channel is to educate and entertain with projects and training videos, right? So when I go through a diesel emission system and I point out what the EGR does, what the other components in the after treatment system do, like I said, not advocating, not for them, not against them, but I do like the opportunities it gives technicians and future technicians like the one at this school a chance to make a living by fixing them. If we just ignore them because we don't like them, who's going to fix them when they break, right? Somebody's got to make that money. It might as well be you. So from this point forward, you don't put a comment that's fruitful, that, you know, maybe you're anti-EGR because of the way it damages the engine, but your comment also includes something else that's productive. You can say, I don't like how EGR affects the engine, but I think maybe if we started doing this instead, we could get rid of it. That's adding to the discussion, and it's a perfectly reasonable point of view. But if your comment is just junk it, throw it all away, it's stupid. Someone said, what's stupid or ignorant is that they put DEF in 6-ounce cans. Okay, well, I mean, why comment that on this channel? It makes no difference, right? So moving forward, ignorant comments that don't have anything to do with the topic are going to be deleted, period. I'm not going to waste my time responding or getting into little online chats with trolls anymore. If you have something constructive to say about the topic, or a request for a different topic that you want to learn more about, I'm on board, and I love those comments, and I will respond to them, and I will do my best to create content that helps fulfill those needs. Apparently the after treatment system was a big one. It's got 11,000 views now, and it's getting more every day. So there are a lot of people that had an interest in how does this system work? What do the different things do, right? So I'm glad I made that video. It's helped a lot of people, but it's also, I guess, triggered a lot of people. So, but anyway, please keep the comments coming, keep the likes, share the channel, please subscribe if you haven't already. And we're getting really close to 400 subscribers, which is amazing, because just a couple weeks ago I did a video thanking everyone for the 200 subscribers. So to almost be to 400, we've almost doubled the amount of subscribers in a very short period of time. And that's all because of people like you that watch the videos, that share the videos, that tell other people about the videos. And I think that's amazing. You guys know that I work for AAI, Arizona Automotive Institute, and I do some content here that kind of helps promote the school. But I also don't want to be a marketing only thing for the school. So I'll keep putting content out there that's specific to classic cars, or to just the little off training topics that, you know, aren't directly related to AAI. But I do want to invite everybody that lives in the Phoenix area, if they want to come check out the school, you are more than welcome. And I would like to see people come and take a tour, see what we do here, meet some of the people that subscribe to the channel that aren't already students here. So anyway, have a great day, and we'll be working on the part 2 of the Honda video here pretty soon.